Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you my soft wash gun. I know I get a lot of questions about it, how I got it set up and where I get the parts from. All the parts are going to be listed in the description, so you know exactly where to get them. I mean, you can find your own place to get them if you want to, but I'm going to show you the links, and also I'm going to show you how to put it together. This one here I'm putting together is actually going out to the winner that Arturo. Is going to him. I'm going to be shipping it out, but before I ship it out to him, I'm going to show you guys, how I put it together. Maybe show him, what I'm saying, how to put it together himself. So with that said, let me show you guys how the gun looks. So this is the gun here. The gun itself, I got from Pressure Washer Products. You can get your own gun, different gun. This one is the Udor poly gun with the Viton seals. It's supposed to last longer. All these parts right here are consumables, so they're not gonna last forever, man. I break this part right here more than anything. Like when I drag it, sometimes you're not supposed to be dragging it. Sometimes it'll break off in here, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta get a new riser. So the risers break a lot on me. The guns do go out after a while, but you should get plenty of use out of it before it goes bad. This is the most expensive part, obviously, out of here. Like I said, I get this from Pressure Washer Products, and pretty much everything else, except for this, you can get from like Lowe's, or I get these from Lowe's. You can get them from Lowe's or any hardware store. I'm not sure what you guys got around your area. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it together, man. This right here works really well for me. It goes just the way it is right here. I'm gonna put it together, and all you gotta do when you get it, just put your J-rod on it for your tips, whatever you want to use. So let's get it. All right, so this is the gun here. It has this, I don't know what you call it, but I don't know what you call it, but it's like a clip that, if you, I don't like to leave it on there when I'm using the gun, because sometimes when you spraying, it locks it on when you're not trying to lock on. So I normally just take this off. You can just take it off, you know what I'm saying, like this here. You can just take it off. But it's good to have this when you want to rinse your pump out at the end of the day. Sometimes I keep it in the van somewhere, and when I'm ready to rinse the gun out, I just lock it on like this, so it just sprays and rinse it out really good for me. So I don't have to sit there and just squeeze the trigger. So you got your gun here. The barb. This is a 1/2 inch barb for your 1/2 inch hose. I'm not sure, if you're gonna use 5/8 hose, but this is made for 1/2 inch. You know what I'm saying? You can upgrade this. You probably had to get some kind of reducer or something like that. But you put your 1/2 inch barb on here. I use the True Blue to put all these together. I don't use tape that much, so I use the True Blue. You know what I'm saying? So this is just hand tighten it. You can hand tighten it, but don't try to crank it up too hard or too tight, because you can crack the gun. It's plastic, so I don't try to put it on too tight. Once you put that in there, same thing. Put some True Blue on here, or pipe dope, whatever you want to call it. Screw that on here. This is a 45-degree angle right here, so you know what I'm saying, it's not so straight where you can get an angle when you're spraying. Like I said, all these parts right here will be in the description of the video, so you know where to get them. You can get them at Lowe's, Home Depot. You can get them at Ace Hardware, or any of those places. All right, we'll put that on there like this. Right here, this is a 1/2 inch to 1/4 bushing, because you need that so you can put your 1/4 inch socket for your J-rod. So you put this on here to reduce it down to 1/2 inch. You put your 1/4 inch socket. Put your socket in here, and you ready to go, man. That's your spray wash gun, soft wash gun, you know, ready to go. Nice and easy. Like I said, all of these are consumables, so if anything breaks, just replace it. But you should get plenty of use out of this. Make you plenty of money before you have to ever replace it. I think these guns right here are like, I don't know, like $37 or something like that. The barb, a couple dollars. The riser, a couple dollars. The rest of it is pretty much cheap, except for this. There it is. Bam, 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 bam. And that's it right here, man. That's the gun, ready to go. Congrats, my man Arturo. You're gonna be getting the gun soon, so you know how to put it together, and also help you guys how to put it together. And I always get asked about my helmets back here, man. I was a pretty good football player. I still play, man. That's why I stay in shape and stay in the gym. Let me show you guys what I got. So yeah, these are my helmets for the teams I played for in the past. This right here is my arena football helmet that I have. Got a couple of footballs up here. This right here is a game ball I had gotten from a arena football. This is my current team I play for right now, the Gladiators. So I wore this helmet this past season. Got a couple MVP trophies from over the years. MVP over here, MVP over here, MVP over here. A couple of championship rings, national championship rings also. This was for the whole country that year. Down here I got my All-Star jerseys. Couple All-Star jerseys. I got 14 of them. This I can only fit so much on here, but this is it here. Oh yeah, check out these two guys right here. These two helmets I wore the last two championship games. This one was 2019, and this one was 2021. We didn't have a 2020 season because of COVID. But yeah, I wore these on the entrance to walk out, you know what I'm saying? And I'll put the pictures up for you guys so you see how I look in them. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate y'all checking the video out. I hope y'all know how to put this gun together, enjoyed it, and I'm going to see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.